been here all week in Ecuador, meeting with our national chapters and then coming together to discuss great ideas of how we're going to move forward.
Es supremamente interesante poder compartir con los capítulos, entender cómo funcionan internamente, cómo logran articular, especialmente cuando son grupos muy grandes.
Darnos cuenta de que todos enfrentamos desafíos muy similares y que podemos aprender de cómo nuestros colegas en otras partes del mundo están enfrentándolos.
The current theme throughout our discussions has been the importance of financial sustainability to all the different chapters. We know that we can be stronger together, we can achieve more, and we're more likely to have funding success when we join forces and design bigger and more impactful programs.
I think we will certainly bring back to Malaysia is how some countries have been able to propel and thrive under a proper law or at least policy and framework protecting mangroves.
I've learned in yesterday's field trip, we saw how the communities have worked to create nurseries and actually implement restoration activities. Some techniques that, I'm thinking of taking back and implement in our countries as well.
Yo soy Petita Panchana. Y aquí nosotros reforestamos. Cuando recién comenzamos nos fuimos en bote a traer las plantas del mangre primeramente.
El vivero es manejado 80% por mujeres, tenemos también 15% adultos mayores y todo lo que ven aquí lo hemos ido recuperando con más de 600 horas de voluntariado y trabajo comunitario.
We would like to make the community as one actor and also becoming the main actor to protect and also to restore the mangrove ecosystem.
Es importante escuchar de los capítulos cuáles son sus necesidades, cuáles son sus prioridades. Hay un nivel de conocimiento y de experiencias importantísimo.
I've developed a whole set of training materials and I'm able to go to the countries and work with the implementation partners on understanding how to use the tracker tool. We go into the restoration sites and we collect a bunch of information from the field. And the really important thing is that all users of the tool are able to see information from other projects.
But we've got to remember it's not just our chapters, of which we're going to have 17 by the end of the year, but we also have over 100 members working towards our 3 goals by 2030 of halting loss, doubling protection and restoring half.